We know snow is falling in the mountains, but down here in the Front Range, we are actually looking at maybe a thunderstorm or two. First one of the season.
I love that. Our meteorologist, Corey Reppenhagen, is in Arapahoe County right now. Corey, what are you seeing from the storms now, and what's the outlook for the season?
Yeah, out there on the western slope, Grand Junction, got some thunder, lightning, and even some small hail. These storms rolling through the Front Range right now, mostly just rain, but in a few spots, heavy rain. Boulder County, Weld County reporting heavy rain, so that is a welcome sight. But we could also see some thunderbolts coming from these storms tonight, and that kind of begs the question. We had this early spring, early heat. Will we get an early start to thunderstorm season? Well, that traditionally has not been the case throughout history. No matter if we get the heat early or not, we get the severe thunderstorm tends to start right about the last week of April or the first week of May, regardless of the temperatures. So what really gets my attention going into this severe weather season is the fact that severe weather has been on a dramatic increase over the last 3 years. The last 3 years are number 1, 2, and 3 for the most severe thunderstorm warnings issued in Colorado since 1986. There were more than 800 warnings issued in 2024, more than 1,000 last year, and the most warnings were issued 3 years ago in 2023. A severe thunderstorm warning gets issued if the hail is more than 1 inch in diameter or about the size of a quarter, or if the wind gusts are 58 miles per hour or stronger. Severe thunderstorms can also produce tornadoes, but they get a specific tornado warning, not a severe thunderstorm warning. However, on the Front Range, the bigger impacts usually come from non-severe weather, like accumulating small hail, sometimes called plowable hail. Lightning. There is no such thing as severe lightning, but lightning in general can be very impactful. And flash flooding, which also can happen from severe thunderstorms or non-severe thunderstorms with high impacts possible anytime. So we had warm, dry winters each of the last 2 years, not as warm and dry as this winter was, but those 2 years went on to have some pretty active severe weather seasons. So we're not expecting any severe weather out of this action here tonight, maybe just a couple of thunderbolts here and there. I'm out here by Denver International Airport watching some light storms go by, and the next wave will come down here on the south side of the city. Just a first little taste of spring storm weather for you. Live here out here in Arapahoe County, a meteorologist, Corey Reppenhagen, for the 9 News Weather Impact Team.
Corey, you didn't get enough snowstorms this year, but you are ready to chase. You are good to go. We can tell.
I'm ready to move on, Kim. Let's do this.
You're itching. You're itching for a good thunderstorm. All right. Thank you.